good time with Mummy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What's Nanny doing?
Yeah.
You're not doing that.
My
Home at Mom's again. Jason, Mommy irons
No.
just shoot.
Wait, it's not done properly.
Oh, what's the matter with it?
What?
No, this is not ironed.
Well, you sit down, it'll be gone.
It's not done.
You can't see it when it's on. Oh my God, he's so fussy.
You
Is your
can't.
daddy fussy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not.
You know, don't you?
Yeah.
You do.
With a giggle on the end. Yeah.
Your daddy's a fussy daddy.
Did you push Daddy out of bed last night?
Yeah.
Where did Daddy go?
Jack's bed. Or is it Ollie's bed now? Is that Jack's bed or Ollie's bed?
Ollie's bed now.
Ollie's
Is
bed.
it? Are you going to sleep in it tonight?
Yeah.
Are you going to go in the big bath tonight? Ollie?